In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a folder in Google Drive. Moving folders around in Google Drive can help you stay organized and manage your files more efficiently, whether you're collaborating on projects or simply cleaning up your digital space. Let's dive in and look at the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Drive, where you can see your files and folders displayed. Locate the folder that you want to move. Once you've found it, simply select the folder by right-clicking on it. This action will bring up a menu with several options. If you're using a trackpad or a different kind of setup, you might need to hold down the control key while clicking to bring this menu up, whatever works for you. It's just important that you access this menu so that we can move on to the next step. Once you've right-clicked on the folder, hover your cursor over the option labelled Organize. You don't need to click on it just yet, hovering will be enough. This allows you to prepare for executing the move and gives you a sense of what additional options might be available. At this point, look for the option that says Move. Now go ahead and click on Move. This opens up a new window or dialog box that will guide you to the next part of the process. Inside this new window, you'll see various locations within your Google Drive where your folder can be moved. Look for the option that says My Drive and give it a click. This is one of the main storage areas in Google Drive and is usually where people like to keep their most frequently accessed files. When you click on My Drive, it opens up a tree or list of the current folders and files stored there. This is handy because it allows you to explore or specify the exact destination within My Drive that you want to move your folder to. Now that you've chosen the destination for your folder, you'll need to finalize the process. In the dialog box, look for the button that says Move and click it. Clicking Move will complete the action, transferring your selected folder to the destination you specified in My Drive. The folder will now appear exactly where you expected it to be, letting you organize your storage according to your preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully moved a folder in Google Drive. With these steps, you can better organize your files and tailor your digital space to suit your workflow. Moving folders is a simple yet very effective tool for managing your documents, and doing it frequently can really help keep your Google Drive nice and tidy. Thanks for following along, and happy organizing.